Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the CRL RG12100. This is a roll of 100 feet, which is the way that which is what this part number refers to. It's a roll of 100 feet of this glazing gasket. So we're going to pull a bit of it out here. We're going to take a closer look at what this is on camera. Okay. So this is the profile of this material. Be a bit tough to see it on camera, but nonetheless. Okay, so obviously here's your backside, some dimensional properties of the material. They have an image listed there showing those dimensional properties, and let's take a look at it. This is vinyl, Trusses up top, opening, black color material can be used with all finishes in a wet or dry glaze style U-channel. So this is clearly going to be used in their U-channel installations. Okay, you're very likely going to have some of this on either side. And the point of this video is to give you some dimensional properties. Now they're saying that it's 3/8 of an inch overall width. When we hold it straight up across that beveled edge, and looking at my caliper, yeah, I would say that would be quite accurate. 3/8 of an inch. Measuring it right between my thumb and fingertip, right there. 5/8 of an inch overall height. Yeah, I would say that would be accurate as well, from the very base to the very highest portion of the bevel. Then they've got a 1/4 inch between these two little splines that are on either side. Let's just review that. Not that items are incorrect in terms of their dimensions, but it's nice to verify them. Yeah, 1/4 inch. This is spot on. 7/16 from the low end to the tip. So it's got not too much of a bevel that's there. Yeah, 7/16 of an inch. I realize you're not seeing that while I measure it on camera, but from the bottom of the lower part of the bevel to the tip, 7/16. So the point of the matter is, depending on how wide your U-channel is, depending on how thick your glass is, this material might suit very well your sort of installation. I would think that you're going to need to have. Now, the extended description information down below again tells us that this is 1/2 inch in roll glazing gasket. Okay, no dimension on here really measures 1/2 inch. However, I would really think that they're referring to what that center line is going to be underneath there down to the end. So that would be certainly 1/2 of an inch. Okay. Now, also looking at the extended description, eliminates the need for silicone sealant. Sure. I mean, if you wouldn't want to pack that much silicone into something. Plus, this material is glazing. Silicone is silicone. I wouldn't use it as glazing material on a large piece of glass. The downside is that this is vinyl, and vinyl will degrade with prolonged exposure to ultraviolet. That's just the nature of what vinyl is. However, this is going to certainly make quite attractive your installation with that beveled top edge. Now, other information down below, CRL Roll In Gasket provides an easy way of glazing glass, eliminating the use of messy silicone sealant and the cleanup that follows. Yeah, this is cut it to length, push it in, and you're done. Installation tip, we have found that rolling in one side first while wedging the opposite side of the glass with their CRL 216, CRL 216, tapered end windshield stick, helps prevent the glazing gasket from slipping and aids in application of the gasket on the opposite side. That makes sense. This material is not going to stay real seated unless you've got some sort of a shim or a wedge on the opposite side. Okay, and by the time you're seeing this video, we'll have a link to that tapered end windshield stick, assuming it's still available. Now finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the C.R. Laurence products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the C.R. Laurence, this is their part number RG12100, roll of 100-foot half-inch roll-in vinyl glazing, or any other C.R. Laurence product. Please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.